Usually, having a meeting is an efficient way to go off topics in teamwork. It's pretty easy to get the people having a face-to-face conference in the office. However, what if some of our people are currently working out of the office, maybe on a business trip? Apparently, it is hard to hold this face-to-face meeting on site. Need an urgent discussion for the teamwork? We could actually use our phone system. A conference call can be a productive and efficient way to hold our meeting promptly. Conference feature enables multiple on-site and outside parties to participate in the conference call simultaneously. Outside parties simply need to dial into the company phone system with their cell phones to join in the conference call. Time and space will not be an issue any longer. What's more, we can also set a password to keep a private conference. It is truly functional. So obviously, for today's enterprises, the conference call feature enhances collaboration efficiency and increases employee productivity with no doubt. Need more VoIP features? Please subscribe. For more updates, visit Gatestar.com.